Hello, today we'll be reviewing the SITERWELL Combo Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. Some key features of this product here is that it has voice alerts. It can be interconnected up to 18 different smoke detectors. It can be hardwired or it can be installed wirelessly. Another nice feature that it has is some sort of technology to prevent it from going off while you're cooking. So if you have it installed in your kitchen, you'll reduce the probability of it giving you false alarms. Today we'll be unboxing it together. It comes in this very nice eco-friendly packaging. And the brand did send this to me to try out and to give my honest review and what I think of the product. So when you open it, it will have an accessory pack, which looks like it just has your screws and your anchors if you're installing it into drywall. Then it has two AA batteries right here. It comes with some instructions, a wire and connection point from your wall or your ceiling to the smoke detector, and the actual detector itself. It comes in this wrapping, which you can remove, and we'll take a closer look at this. I have the batteries installed in this unit so we can test out how it sounds.
Fire, incendie.
It is very loud.
Warning, carbon monoxide. Attention, monoxyde de carbone.
As you can see, it gives you both verbal warnings for a smoke alarm and for a carbon monoxide alarm. And the languages that it speaks in is in English and in French. So this is a great option for both the US market and for the Canadian market.
Install was a breeze. It took me about 10 minutes. I did use a drill, but you could just use a screwdriver and it would work just fine.
This is the finished installed product. If you see a green light like this, that just means that the unit is on, it's operational, and there are no issues. If you had an alarm go off, the thing will turn red. And so if you come home and you see it red, you can go up and press on it and it'll tell you the reason why it's red. If there was like a smoke alarm that went off while you were not here, or a carbon monoxide alarm. Then if you see a yellow light, that means there's something wrong with your interconnection and you need to look into that. But otherwise, so super easy install and it looks nice. And so far it's working great.